Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy that you are part of my community. If you are into handwriting, calligraphy, or just love a good fountain pen, today's review is for you. We're taking a closer look at the Lamy Joy, a sleek, modern calligraphy pen that's become a favorite in the stationery world. Let's get into it. The Lamy Joy is a calligraphy style fountain pen designed specifically for italic and decorative writing. It's based on Lamy's classic safari design, but with a few key differences. Most notably, the longer, tapered barrel that gives it that elegant artistic look. I picked this up from a bookstore and it was love at first sight. The one I'm reviewing today comes in three nib sizes: 1.1, 1.5, and 1.9 millimeters. I have the one with 1.5 millimeter, great for varying line widths, and let's check out first the package. So here is the package. We have a simple box. I love the fact that it is transparent, as you can see the fountain pen in all of its beauty. And on the back we have a bit of information on the fountain pen. It says Lamy Joy, the new experience in calligraphy handwriting. And we are informed that the fountain pen works with the Lamy cartridge, or you can use a converter. So that is basically the package. So let's return to the pen and check it out. The fountain pen features Lamy's signature ABS plastic body, which makes it lightweight but durable. It has the same iconic triangular grip as the Safari, which helps guide your fingers into the right writing position, perfect for beginners. Let's check out the cap. We have a red accent and a strong metal clip, quite functional. The cap snaps on securely, and as you can see, my fountain pen is black with red accents, but there is also a limited edition known as the strawberry red. This is a particular favorite of mine. Now, let's talk about performance, the most important part. The steel nibs on the Lamy Joy are smooth and consistent, and this particular one will give you those bold, dramatic strokes that make calligraphy pop. Whether you're doing modern calligraphy, gothic, or just experimenting, the Joy holds up really well. And I like that the ink flow is consistent, it doesn't skip or hard start even after sitting unused for a few days. Let me show you the pen from up close. So this is the grip section, which is characteristic for Lamy pens. On the barrel, you also have two ink windows, the brand name Lamy and the country of origin, Germany, red accents, a black ring to separate the body from the barrel. So here is a close-up of the nib. We have a stainless steel calligraphy nib that comes in multiple widths, allowing for a range of expressive italic style strokes. Each nib is engraved with its size and the word Lamy near the base, giving it a clean, modern look that matches the pen's overall design. The nibs are firm, providing consistent line variation without flex, and they glide smoothly across the page with excellent ink flow. Whether you are practicing hand lettering, calligraphy, or simply adding flair to your everyday writing, the nib delivers a controlled and satisfying experience. And as I mentioned before, the Lamy Joy uses Lamy's ink cartridges. I have one here as well with blue ink, but you can also buy a converter and use bottled ink. It is a bit noisy when I open it, which reminded me that I need to apply some silicone grease. This can really help when you are dealing with such issues. Okay, silicone grease for Lamy Joy today. I wanted to return a bit to the package. Here says that you can use the Lamy ink converter Z28. Of course, the ink cartridge is always more comfortable, but you can also buy a converter, the one I mentioned, and use bottled ink. If you are doing a lot of calligraphy or want to explore different ink colors, then the converter is definitely the right way to go. before we move on to the writing test, I wanted to show you a bit of comparison in terms of size. Oops. So here we have the Sailor Fude de Manen, which is also a calligraphy fountain pen. We have the Scrivener, which is a bit tiny. How about the Esvine J16? And let me also show you the Leonardo Furore de Rosso. It is a known fact that calligraphy fountain pens generally have this longer tapered body. As you can see, this is the same with my Sailor fountain pen. And surprise, surprise, it can be posted if you want, but in my opinion, it is long enough already. Oops. Time to test it. This is always my favorite part. So here is the Lamy Joy. Calligraphy fountain pen. A very smooth writer, capable of different types of lines, with a very firm nib. Does well in reverse writing as well. So at the first glance, we have a smooth writing instrument. I loaded the pen as you have seen with the standard Lamy bluing cartridge, and you can also notice how beautiful the line variations are. The ink flow is consistent with no skipping or hard starts, and the pen can handle both fast writing and long writing sessions thanks to its ergonomic grip. In my opinion, it offers an excellent writing experience, bringing joy to both beginners and seasoned users, hence the name. So I'm not an expert in calligraphy, but I am going to try to write a bit different. I'm sure there are more experienced people out there who know how to write in beautiful fonts. I am only starting to learn. What I have noticed is that this fountain pen is excellently balanced and it offers plenty of line variations, which I think makes it ideal for elegant headers, invitations, or even practicing traditional calligraphy scripts like italic or Gothic. The nib lays down a bold, clean line with crisp edges and the ink flow is perfect. And once again, the triangular grip helps you to maintain the proper nib angle as well. Overall, it delivers a satisfying combination of precision and flair, perfect for both artistic and functional writing. So, let's see some pros. We have a smooth, reliable nib, great for beginners, comfortable grip, easy to maintain and clean, and the nibs can be interchanged. What about cons? We can find a few. Only compatible with Lamy cartridges. Of course, unless you get a converter. Plastic body, which might feel a bit cheap to some. Oops, I don't know why I'm in a hurry. I have all the time in the world. And the grip may not suit everyone. And without writing another one, I also tell you that this is a magnet for fingerprints and all sort of fiber and so on. But hey, it's a price you must pay for such a wonderful fountain pen. So, is the Lamy Joy worth it? Absolutely. Especially if you are into calligraphy or want a stylish pen that performs well without breaking the bank. I paid a bit over €20 for it, but I looked it up on Amazon and the price is under this sum there. It's functional, affordable, and quite fun to use. Overall, the nib delivers a satisfying combination of precision and flair, perfect for both artistic and functional writing. It's especially well suited for those who want noticeable line variation without sacrificing control. Whether you're practicing traditional calligraphy styles or adding a creative touch to journaling, cards, or titles, this nib will strike a great balance. It's bold enough to stand out, but not so wide that it becomes impractical for everyday use. And combined with the smooth ink flow, the ergonomic grip, and lightweight body, this nib makes the pen feel versatile and approachable, even for beginners. It's an excellent choice if you are looking to develop your calligraphy or simply elevate the look of your handwriting. And let's not forget, it's affordable. So, here we are at the end of our review. Thank you so much for watching. If you have tried the Lamy Joy, let me know your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that tiny bell for more pen reviews and writing tips. And until next time, keep your pens inked.